Hello, this is Brad Court, President of Web to Market. Thanks for watching this video introduction to AbleCommerce Gold. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick introduction to AbleCommerce Gold. We'll take a look at some high points in the architectural design, and we'll take a walk through the front end and the administration in just a matter of minutes. AbleCommerce 8 remains PCI certified and is affordably priced at only $1,295, a one-time purchase. That compares very favorably to a product like Magento, which the enterprise version is $15,000 a year. It remains the leader in terms of features and is built on the Windows stack of ASP.NET, IIS, and SQL Server. That provides an enterprise-class foundation for high performance, scalability, and reliability. Within the user interface code, there have been substantial enhancements, specifically fuller support for the evolving HTML5 standard, and the code is now fully W3C compliant. That'll provide a couple of important benefits. First, it lets the designer create prettier and more functional designs, and second, the code that's developed will now be more search engine friendly. Merchants looking for specific features will find dozens of improvements in AbleCommerce Gold. We're going to take a look at some really high-level important enhancements that we've found. The ones that we really think are major are the improved checkout process with a re-engineered flow. For folks that have products that might require multiple shipments, it's especially powerful. The order management is another major area of improvement. Lots of refinements and enhancements there. And finally, the third major area is improvements in the search function. It now supports full text searches, even for sites that don't have access to SQL Server full text searching. Let's go ahead and move on and take a walk through the product.
As you can see on the left, I've already logged in and my contact information is populated in the form. On the right, you'll see some information that you wouldn't have seen in the AbleCommerce 7 checkout on the billing page. The first section is a shipping address. This is where the customer can enter, choose to use their billing address, go to a different shipping address, or ship to multiple addresses. We're going to follow the multiple address option since that's a very powerful new feature in AbleCommerce Gold. Below that, you'll see though an order summary and a shipping estimate, and this lets the customer confirm that they have the right products in their cart before they continue, and check that the shipping rates are going to be what they're willing to pay. Let's go ahead and go into multiple shipping addresses. If you're familiar with the multiple shipping address functionality in AbleCommerce 7, you probably recall that there was a button in the one-page checkout that you'd click to select multiple addresses. With AbleCommerce Gold, it's been integrated much more smoothly. Since we on the billing page selected multiple shipping addresses, we now go to this page where we see each of the items in the order, and we can see drop downs to select our shipping addresses. So let's go ahead and select different names to ship the products to, and we can go ahead and click continue. Here we see the ability to select different shipping methods. We've only configured one shipping method in this demo store, but all available shipping methods for that product and address would be displayed in the drop-down. Let's continue to the checkout. And finally, here we see the product payment details. So we can go ahead and enter the type of payment method we want to use. And click Pay with Card if we're using a credit card. And of course, here's the receipt page. As you can see, it includes the order details you'd expect, billing information, payment details, and shipping information. Plus, you'll notice on the upper right-hand corner that the customer can reorder if they wish. Let's go ahead and move on to the administration. If you're currently using AbleCommerce 7, The new admin interface will look pretty familiar. It'll be pretty easy to use, but you'll notice some substantial improvements too. It's been reorganized to make it easier and faster to manage orders and better control over the products in your website. We're going to take a quick look at going through the process of picking, packing, and shipping an order, and we're going to take a look at quickly at adding a product into the admin. We're going to go ahead and ship order 4. Click through, and you can see the order summary page has now been changed with the ability to perform a number of functions embedded right in the page. Let's go ahead and go to the shipments, and we see the shipments listed. We'll go ahead and go through each shipment and ship it. We can enter a tracking number if we'd like. I'm just going to ship it. We can also print a packing list if we liked. And I'm going to go ahead and ship the other couple of shipments. Now that that's done, we can go back to the order summary. We can see that the order status is now marked as completed. To give you a taste of the product management capability in AbleCommerce Gold, I'm going to go ahead and add a product. Going into the catalog, we choose categories. I'll put it in the sample category. On the right, I'll click the product icon. As you can see, the layout is a bit different than AbleCommerce 7. Let's call it this product a cord. I'm going to skip a few fields just to keep things moving. See, the product has many of the same options as AbleCommerce 7, but if you scroll down to the product description sections, you'll see there's now inline styling of the description. Let's go ahead and bold that just to see how that works. It's now bolded. Further down, we have some advanced settings that if you've got products that the customers can name their own price, you want them to appear in a featured list, where if you want them to be able to view the price only after clicking on a link, those kinds of features are in the advanced settings. And finally, on the bottom are the search engines and feeds section. These are designed for search engine optimization and submission to product search sites like Google Shopping. To see more options for this product, let's choose Save and Edit. As you can see at the top, a number of tabs have now appeared that let you manage attributes of the product. Images, options, if they're digital goods, kitting, discounts, specials, cross-selling features like similar products and accessories, what categories the product's in, what templates, and if this is a digital good, you can have subscriptions. And finally, of course, you can preview the product.
Thanks for watching this quick video introduction to AbleCommerce Gold. Obviously, it's a very sophisticated product, and a quick video introduction won't answer all your questions about it. We'd be glad to talk to you about your unique questions and requirements. Also, we'd be glad to introduce you to Web2Market's many services, including customization. We've got over 20 plugins that will launch with AbleCommerce Gold. We've got training, hosting, support. Let us know if we can help you. Thanks.